Okay, look at that. See, ooh, look at that. He got the big bird. Got the big bird. And then, okay, show her the baby bird again.
Just put the camera up right there.
Okay, look at, and then he got the baby. Look at that. Look at that. Nasty. He's gonna roast him on the barbecue, Jen.
Not those. Well,
See, look at, and then they planted this for me. Look. I'm gonna show you. Look at,
are you on
see?
Skype with her?
No, I'm making a video for her. And then look at, see, Thomas and Denise planted the flowers today. See, isn't that pretty? Isn't that nice? They did it pretty.
Yeah, but we need to learn that with the real gun, not with the BB gun.
And then, of course, in the...
I know. We're not going to walk out here with the 30
See?
shooting birds.
Did that. Did that. See? Pretty? They did a nice job, huh? I gotta show you the tadpoles in the thing. It's freaking crazy. There's a shitload of them. I hope you can see them. No, I guess you can't see them. But there's a whole shitload of tadpoles in there. They're everywhere. See them? There's a shitload of them. And my irises, see? They pretty? Pretty irises. My tree's coming back. There's a tree that Robin's dad gave us. It's pretty. There's my flowers again. Aren't they beautiful? They're beautiful. There's Thomas and Jake shooting the gun. Yeah, BB gun. Okay. Walking you back. Showing you. Oh, look at, and see, and then Denise picked those out. And then see, did all that. Look at that, isn't it pretty?
Wait, Shannon, don't go there. Don't go there.
Mighty Hunter Thomas.
Calling birds in.
See, look at my pretty flowers. Thomas and Dee Dee did those. Aren't they nice? And they're beautiful. Thank you. See, they're all pretty. Look at, see, they're all gone. Gone. Okay, I'm going to post this for you now, so I'll go back in the house. See Max. There he is. 57-footer dog. And nighters. And there's your sister over there. Okay. I'm going to send her this video.